What do I wish I had known before I formed a business partnership? I have formed 3 formal business partnerships, and I have attempted to form multiple other ones. And I have learned the hard way that you need certain things in place. And here's the number one thing you must do before you pick a partner and form a business partnership. And that first most important thing is write out a memo of understanding that specifically describes what you're both going to accomplish, your roles and responsibilities, and your exit strategy. And I say this because when you're starting out a business relationship, just like when you're dating, you're so madly in love with that person, your business idea, your business baby, and you're so excited about what you're going to do that you don't think about what you're going to do when it goes wrong. And relationships can become so soured when expectations are not being met in a business relationship, or when you both decide you want to go separate ways and it's not been predefined. And it breaks my freaking heart because when you've built something with someone and you're feeling like it's an uneven or unequitable work relationship, or you're feeling like the exit is not being done in a fair, understanding, compassionate, or generous way, it ends up hurting your friendship. And those kinds of conversations where a person feels bitter or angry towards you, or you feel bitter and angry towards them, ooh, it is not fun. No one likes it. And it sours the joy that you might have about the business that you've built, or even the past memories that you have. So my number one recommendation for when you are about to start picking a business partner and defining your business, starting a business, is to define it on a memo of understanding. And the bonus of that is you'll have those hard conversations up front. And sometimes, many times, you'll end up realizing that that person is maybe not the right business partner for you because your end goal is not the same. If that person cannot articulate and define what their goals are, if they refuse to write out expectations of roles and responsibilities, if they don't want to talk about what the exit would be like, that's a sign, a red flag actually, that that person doesn't know what they want and that their desires could change. If they're unwilling to write these things out in advance, it also could mean that your goals are different. You know, if they haven't taken the time to really assess what they want out of their life, out of their business, you might be like sadly surprised at the very end of that relationship that you were meant to go different ways, and your concept of this business, what you're both going to get out of it, what you're both going to give, might be different. So I highly recommend being super clear. And if a person won't be clear, it's a red flag that they're not actually the right partner for you. You should be simpatico. You should be on the same wavelength all the way through. And that's when you know that person is a good partner. And if you can't sign that agreement, here are some other ideas of things that you could do. You could instead you could do a profit share, or you could have them be an investor in your business where they get paid back over time and they continue to finance things. You can build a partnership without having to go and become a legal entity with shared responsibilities legally, or without actually calling yourselves partners. You could become something different. There's lots of other options, which we can discuss on a different video. But for now, I hope that gives you a little bit of perspective if you're considering launching a business, that you want to be on the same page. I'll write out a list of those things again that you need in the description below for a memo of understanding. And you're welcome to reach out to me at any time to ask more advice about starting a business. So I hope that helped you to grow your business. That's my objective always. And I hope that you have a good day. If you like this video, please like it or subscribe to this YouTube channel.